Hmm, can you imagine? It's easier said than done. For men who always complain that their wives does not know how to cook or their food is not sweet, let's take a look at this couple whose wife was ill and he wanted to impress his wife by helping her to cook. But so unfortunate, he does not know what to do. He started disturbing the sick wife who's supposed to be resting by asking her how to go about the process of cooking. How well do you support your wife? Let's take a look at this and judge who is sick among the husband and the wife. Kindly let me know your thoughts. Who is sick? Is it the husband or the wife? Thank you.